Hi everyone, so I'm on a little local skate park, just practicing very small jumps and small set of stairs that we've got here. I'm on the NOSFET Apex. Just making sure my linkages are a bit tight. These do seem to get a bit loose. Not too loose, but just loose enough just to you need to sort of tighten them up and stuff, and then with any like drops or jumps and stuff, I suppose they'll need tightening up. Yeah, it's good fun on here. There's a big ramp. Well, probably not to everyone else out there, but there's a ramp over there, which I kind of went up and then instantly regretted. I think it's the metal part of it. It's not necessarily the height. I think if there was a bit more room at the top and it was more of a kind of an earth or a ground, you know, proper sort of dirt type drop or slope, I'd probably be a bit more comfortable. Getting up it was fine. I've never ridden up it before, so that was something. But coming down, I just didn't like it. It was really slidey going up. It's hot and it's very slidey at the moment. Unfortunately, that is the best place to come down and go off this small jump because you get enough kind of run up for it. And I tried it the other way, just coming around it, and it just wasn't as good, and kind of I came at a bit of an angle, so it just, you know, doesn't work unless you're coming off that ramp. But yeah, for me it's a bit sketchy. I know, you know, I'm by no means, like, you know, I'm still learning, so I think I'm gonna have to build up to coming off something like that. I just it's not the confidence in the wheel, it's me, and like I said, I think if it was like some of the pump tracks that I've been on recently, like on dirt and stuff, I feel more comfortable on those than these metal ones. I ended up just sliding down this one on my butt, so hey, you know, it's all part of the learning, right? There's lots of steep ramps here, which I'm sure more experienced riders and obviously skateboarders and people like that absolutely love. Some of these were just too sharp and too much for me. So yeah, it's just a bit of a break and trying to do this and trying to kind of, you know, go up and down some of the ramps and stuff. Trying out. I've got another DJI Neo. I sold my Hover because the software just was hit and miss, and I put that towards getting, I suppose, say more professional drone. So I've now got a DJI Air 3S, which the video and the quality and the zoom and stuff like that is just incredible. So I'll be taking that on. That's kind of more for sort of big, I say shoots, but like big films or things where we've gone somewhere spectacular and you really want to get that kind of landscape and stuff like that. So I really want something like that, and also something that done well on higher speed winds. So the drone quality, I think, will be a lot better when I start using that. The Neo is fine for this sort of stuff and small stuff. You wouldn't necessarily get it to track you. I'd probably use the Air 3S, which I have done before, to track me riding and stuff once you've got a bit of a nice open area. It's obviously a bigger drone to carry, unfortunately, but it's the trade-off I think you have with a better quality drone, I think.
Let's go.
yeah, what else? So I'm still, as of, when is this? The 18th of June. I'm still waiting on my Nosfet Aero. I'm really looking forward to that. I really want to take it along some of the dirt tracks and things like that, and dirt pump tracks. It's just going to be a nice light wheel to be able to do that sort of stuff. I'm also going to take it, I'm going down to Dorset or Devon in August, and I'm going to take that with me along with the drone as well, so I'm hoping to get some really cool footage and some riding while I'm down there as well. So yeah, I look forward to that. I've applied to be a tester of the new PidZoom lights, so I'm hoping that maybe they'll let me test some of those. They're asking for testers, so I've put in for those. So if they do, then you know I'll do a review and impressions and stuff like that on this channel. Obviously, when the Aero comes, I'll be doing we'll be doing a lot of testing on that one and a review. And I'll probably do I suppose a final review on my Nosfet. I'm really loving this wheel. I liked it when I got on it, but it's grown on me the more I've ridden it, the more I like it. It's just a really good sort of trail and jumping wheel and stuff like that, and with the power knobs it's just been brilliant. I have ordered some fairings to go on it. It just makes the power placement a lot better and easier, so when they arrive I'll do something around that. And then I've also ordered some Grizzler Sync, I think they're called, the new Grizzler pads, and I've got those really, I think, probably for the Aero. I get a feeling the ones that come with it are going to be okay, but they're probably not going to be great, and I couldn't be bothered to print more out, to be honest. So I've ordered some of those as well. It is really hot. It's like 29 in the UK, which, you know, I'm going through a bit of a heat wave at the moment. So not only is my butt on this metal seat getting hot, but I'm getting hot as well. So I'm going to do a few more laps around here, and then I think I'm going to go back and grab some lunch. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon. Bye.